Dr. Guru Purnima, our Honorable Principal, Mr. Sanjay Yadav, respected teachers, distinguished staff members, and my dear friends. I am Shaina Manarkar from class 9.
And I am Vanita from class 10. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the sacred occasion of Guru Purnima, a day dedicated to expressing our gratitude and respect to our Gurus.
Knowledge gives us power, but a guru shows us how to use that power with wisdom, kindness, and humanity. The teachers light up the lamp of knowledge that shines throughout our life. Happy Guru Purnima to all the teachers.
Present here. I am Rahul Priyapati from Standard 9, and today's news of the day is on Lead Paper Day. PM Narendra Modi has announced and introduced Public Examination Amendment Bill 2026 in the Lok Sabha on Monday over Lead Paper Leak. The proposed changes raise penalties, set up fast-track court.
To everyone present here, I am honored to stand before you today to speak about Guru Purnima, an ancient tradition that forms the backbone of our values. In our culture, the bond between a teacher and a student, the Guru-Shishya Parampara, is considered sacred. We are taught to look at our teachers with our highest regard.
जिसका नाम माधव था। माधव बहुत गरीब परिवार से था। उसके पास न अच्छे वस्त्र थे, न धन और न ही कोई विशेष प्रतिभा। कई शिष्य उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे, लेकिन गुरुजी हमेशा कहते थे, मनुष्य की पहचान उसके वस्त्रों से नहीं, बल्कि उसके संस्कार और कर्मों से होती है।
Thank you very much for coming here. It's a pleasure to always have past students from our school. Soon you will be past students. And today he said he feels very proud to come back to Vanita Vishram. He was telling me some of the lovely stories of his memory of this great school. So once again, give him a loud round of applause and a big
Please welcome the talented students for a spectacular Mallakhamb performance. Let us encourage them with a huge round of applause.
आपके सामने मलखाम के कुछ प्रात्यक्षिक दिखाएंगे। Kingston Karanga, state player.
Today we are celebrating such a beautiful day. A day where you talk of reverence, a day where you talk of honoring somebody, the day you talk of respect and love. And all that you saw just now, today in front of you, the rope Mallakhamb and the pole Mallakhamb, it has come from their gurus. These wonderful boys and girls could not have done this had they not got a mentor, a guru, a teacher who has taught them all these great things. So you as children, your first guru are your parents, right? Here you have another set of gurus who teach you how to read, how to write, how to behave, who teach you the different values of life. And it is these teachers, these gurus, who go a long way in your life. Okay, did you enjoy the assembly? Yes! So both are class teachers of standard 9, Umang and Tanvi sir, 9 and 10. Very lovely assembly, we thoroughly enjoyed.